Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 90 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera obviously and make sure that you're on the photo mode. Now we can tap on this three bars icon in the right upper corner and let's take a look at this option bar here. On the second position we've got the timer. Right now it is turned off, we've got this clock icon highlighted, but we can also set 3, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So in order to actually set the timer, all you have to do is to tap on the option. As you can see right now it is highlighted, so we can go back and tap on the shutter button in order to check. And as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10 and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, so the camera flashed, it means that the photo has been taken. Let's check, for example, 3 seconds delay. And the same situation, but right now it is counting down from 3. Obviously you can turn it off whenever you want to, just not by going to the settings, just by tapping on this clock icon here, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 90. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.